What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome back to a new video and update on Cardano and the ADA token. Wanted to do a full fundamental update, full technical update. We'll talk a little bit more about the technicals, but the fundamentals definitely will be talked about as well to give you a full overview of what's going on with Cardano and to kind of expect, or at least have somewhat of an understanding what could happen to the price. So before we get into that, I do want to say that for those who missed it, I opened a signal group, a trading signals group, where you will receive daily trading signals. It's been going pretty well so far. The win rate is like between 60 and 70% with a positive risk reward. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There are instructions on how to join. But now let's get right into it. So Cardano and ADA have been pretty weak. Like we were still pretty strong after that minor drop we had the 8th and 9th of February. Then we rebounded pretty well, went all the way up to 42 cents again. But ever since the 21st of February, we've just been falling, all right? And even though Cardano used to be pretty correlated with Ethereum and Bitcoin, right now it has kind of lost that correlation. I would say that we already lost that correlation back in January, because Cardano was actually, well, relatively more bullish than, for example, Ethereum, not necessarily more bullish than Bitcoin, but all right. But right now we've lost it, because ever since like the 19th, we've been in a downtrend, and a pretty steep one, as you can see, pretty respected as well. This is kind of the trend line that you can watch for that. It's just a trend line, of course. I mean, it doesn't matter that much. But I thought it was nice to see visually that we are really respecting it. So we already had a lot of bearish momentum. Then what happened yesterday, it's very minor, but still it's I think notable. We dropped down below 35 cents, which had been our support since like the 22nd of January. So we lost that yesterday, and then we got a big bearish fundamental move, which wasn't to be predicted. But in the end, something like this, in my eyes, would have happened either way. So right now it was bearish move, probably due to fundamentals around the market, regulation, inflation, that kind of stuff. But I think this would have happened either way. So we dropped down to our next support level around 33 and 32.5 cents. We did not react to 33.5 cents, which is a little bit weird since it has quite a major fib level, but all right. We have respected it now. We've gone above that, and it's now our support. So the big thing is that, to be honest, and you can have a different opinion, then you would probably have a different analysis. But I think the bearish momentum in the market is here to stay. All right, so I think the market will stay bearish due to fundamentals. Apart from that, Cardano is now trending down in its TVL. That also has to do with the price of the token, of course. But the Cardano blockchain, where it was very, very trending and doing well at the beginning of February and kind of in the middle of February, right now it is it's kind of still, and it's dropping down a little bit, even though before that we were very much in an uptrend. So altogether, I think everything for Cardano still points to the downside, which, you know, I don't feel anything about that, but I just think that's the most likely scenario. So even though we have technically now broken above 0.33.5 cents again, I think we can get up to 34.5 cents. I think we can get up to 35.5 cents. And I even think we'll consolidate right now between probably like 34 cents and 32.5 cents. I think we'll consolidate, but I think it's just a matter of time before we drop down to our next major support level, which is 31.5 and 31 cents. Not that far down. So even though I'm bearish on Cardano, I think we'll just follow the downtrend. I don't think we'll have a big crash. And this is actually a very major support level again, 31.5 cents. It has the 618 fib of this entire bullish move. So it's the level I'm watching. It's a strong support level as well. So I'll keep you updated on that. I might buy some Cardano from there, but for now, this is my take on the short term of ADA and Cardano. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.